My name is Simon Finch. I'm a trumpet player from London and I represent the Barmy Army.
And why did you come to Pakistan to play the trumpet?
Because I'm a huge England cricket fan and I'm the official Barmy Army trumpet player. The Barmy Army travelled the world supporting and following the England cricket team.
The trumpet isn't that common an instrument here in Pakistan, so what has the reaction been like around the ground?
The reaction has been absolutely fantastic, both here and in Indy. People want to come and say hello. A lot of people don't know the name. Some people call it a flute, some people call it a bugle, some people call it a
Baja?
A baja, that's it,
Baja.
baja, that was it. But it's a trumpet. It's very common in England.
And has anything interesting happened outside the ground, around the ground?
Well, I've had
England!
I've had a lot of people come up to me asking for selfies. That's the main thing that's happened to me.
Do you play the trumpet for 5 days? Does that require a level of stamina?
It does, but 4 days requires less.
What is the Barmy Army and how does it work?
The Barmy Army are England cricket supporters who travel around the world. That's it.